little engineers. Today I am excited because I am going to make my first electric car.
Welcome to Dhakshan's Innovation Lab.
So let's see what we need to make an electric car. First, a battery and a connector. Next, geared motor. Then 4 tires. Then one tiny teeny straw and 2 sticks. I took broomstick for this activity and a switch and a cardboard this size to make the car body. Let's build the electric car. First, I'm going to make a car body. I fixed with double tape. Okay, now I'm going to fix the tires. Like here one in the hole over here. This one done. I'm going to make the tires over here. Finished. Done. I'm going to fix this body into the motor. Okay. This is below. Now I'm going to put this broomstick into the straw. Okay, then we have to put the tire. Place it over here. That's it. It's looking like a cockroach now. I'm going to place the battery and the switch like this. Push! Ta-da! Like this. And we are going to give the connection. First, the battery is positive over here. Okay, we fixed it. Now over here. It's done. Lastly, now it's done. I'm so happy I built my first electric car. Let's see it's working or not. I'm going to turn it on. I'm so excited. It's working! It's working! Ready, start. 3, 2, 1, launch. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe to Dhakshan's Innovation Lab for more fun experiments. See you in the next video. Bye.